Hi again everyone, it's Chris Landry from Viking Yachts. I'm aboard the 58 Convertible with David Wilson. David is the design manager for Viking, and he's going to walk us through the philosophy behind our new boat, the 58 Convertible. David, just tell us a little bit about the thinking that went behind this boat.
I'd say, Chris, right from the beginning, the philosophy in design and engineering was lean and efficient, really, were two big words surrounding the whole principle of getting the boat developed early on. You know, now everything is foam, cord, balsa cord, and a lot more foam, actually. So a lot of advancements there that we're able to add core, change laminations, get some weight out of the boat in the FRP products. Being a engineered and design-driven company, that has really grown quite a bit. We're looking at areas to save space and increase areas a little bit and make the heads a little more comfortable, you know, check those bed lengths and just a little more comfort throughout the layout.
Now this is the second generation of the 58 Convertible. And you were here when the first generation was built in the 90s. How does it compare? How do the two boats compare?
I'd say the philosophy was similar. We can talk about the attention given to the lean and efficient philosophy is greater now. But I think what Bill started back then, in that generation, we applied really that same effort. And you know, the team that built that boat, a lot of us are still here. Now the team under Pat is just a lot more focused. From the beginning, the philosophy driven from Pat on performance and speed was efficiency, and with that we were slated with 10-cylinder engines. We were given a speed, 41.5, 42 knots, and that's what we needed to achieve with coming in at a weight and coming in at a design that would achieve that.
Dave, let's go up top now and talk about the flybridge, the nerve center of the boat.
Yes, good changes up there, Chris, from Gen 1 especially. Back then, the side console design of an open flybridge was very popular, suitable then, and we moved on to a center console design, seen in many of our models today, and this generation of 58 now has that design. Just a lot improved egress around the bridge, and with the center console philosophy, you can move around 360 degrees. Easier cleaning, better visibility, seating is improved. Everything really falls into place nice up there. The other big addition down at your feet is the use of toe kicks. So all the furniture is floating, and again, you're providing, you know, 4 to 8 inches on either side of the console and seat that you're feeling.
In general terms, what's the overall mission purpose of this boat? Who is it good for? Who is going to be attracted to it?
Much like the Gen 1, it's really a great size owner-operator. Yeah. You know, the husband, wife, the family can operate this boat, simple systems, nothing elaborate. And then also it just turns right immediately into that hardcore tournament boat.
Dave, it's been about 18 years since the last Generation 1 58 was built. This boat here, how has it changed? How is it different in the layout from the Gen 1?
Yes, Chris, probably the largest change in the entire layout is right where we're sitting. The cockpit, the mezzanine specifically, is adding this area within the boat. Has been very popular over the past 20 years. Again, it's the typical 3-stateroom, 2-head boat, but what we did is we flipped the salon, and that aligns the salon door up with our forepeak. And you get that spacious feeling of when you come in the boat, you're seeing effectively all the way to the bow of the boat.
I'll remind people that we're heading into the 55th year for Viking. So not only are they going to get a new boat, they're going to get 55 years of experience behind that new boat.
Yes, indeed.
Dave, thank you very much for joining us, and we'll be talking to you soon for the next boat that comes up.
Thank you very much, Chris.
Okay.
Great talking to you.